talking about rainbows today. And here's a little book called Rainbows. And it's written by Mara Conlon and illustrated by Jennifer Fitwell. No clouds, no rain. With a day like this, who could complain? Look at the sun shining. But Tammy takes a look and can't help but pout. Why did that big old sun come out? She didn't want the sun. She's got a shiny new raincoat with brand new boots to match. Perfect for puddles. Splitch, splooch, splash. Oh, that's why she wants to go out in the rain. Join your friends, go out and play. It will rain another day. Haha, especially in March. That will be one of the lion weathers. First the swing, then whoosh down the slide. Soon it's time for lunch, so Tammy runs inside. She went out with her friends to play. PB and jelly, yum in my belly. Lunch is all done. It's time for more fun. Oh, what just hit the window pane? Pitter patter. Sounds like, what do you think? Rain! 1 drop, 2 drops, 3 drops, 4. It's raining, and here comes more. She gets to play outside in her boots and her jacket. The rain lets up, a little sun peeks through. On go the boots, the hat and the coat bright blue. Look at her bright blue coat. Jump up and down, skip and run. Oh, those puddles are so much fun. Look at the puddles. We can stomp our feet or leap up high. Hey, what's everybody looking at? Up in the sky. Oh, what's everybody looking at? What do you think? Tammy's face fills with delight. It's a glittery rainbow with colors so bright. Red and orange, yellow and green, blue and indigo violet. Beautiful rainbow. With some sun and a little rainfall. This was the very best day of all. Oh. So we learned when it rains and the sun comes out, a rainbow appears. So I thought it would be fun to do a magic trick with a rainbow. So here Vicky has, is it a rainbow? Not yet, but a rainbow is going to appear. I'm just going to put it in this water and we'll see what happens. Ready, set, go. Here we go. Look, a rainbow. Wow, look my friends. Red and orange and yellow and green, purple, blue as well. We can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Beautiful rainbow. Look at put it in the water. Put some water on it. Let's see. What's happening? What's happening? Oh, magic! Magic! You can dip it in the water, or you can spray it on, and the magic happens. See? Magic happens, and your rainbow comes colorful. There we go. Colorful rainbow.